This is a diagram of how the email funnel works. It starts over here on the left-hand side. You upload a book and set it as either a giveaway or a book for sale. Once the reader clicks on the book giveaway, the email and name of the person is collected by Bookfunnel. For the $20 plan, it collects the emails into a list that you then download and go to Mailchimp and manually upload to your email list. For the $100 a year plan, the email addresses go automatically from Bookfunnel over to Mailchimp, and your email list grows on autopilot. Let's take a look at how an ebook that is entered into a sales promotion works. Once the book is uploaded, you enter it into a specific sales promotion. Then the reader clicks on it and they are taken to the book to purchase it. So it's important to remember that you are only collecting emails when you are giving away ebooks. I mention this because I went through a period where my list got stagnant because I was entering too many sales promotions and not enough giveaway promotions. So as a beginner, that's important for you to know. When you go to MailChimp.com, this is what the front page looks like, at least today at the time of this recording. You can start with the free trial, but as soon as you click on this button, you will be taken to a next page that can be a little confusing. This is the page that comes up after you click on the free trial. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you are a new writer or a new marketer. The free plan allows you to access a few email templates, which is not a problem. Later on in this video, I'm going to explain to you that you don't need a lot of templates. It also allows you to send up to 1,000 email campaigns, which is more than sufficient. It allows you to have only one audience, which is enough for a beginner. The account will remain free until you go over 500 emails. So the free program can be good enough for beginners. The next plan up is called the Essentials plan, and this costs $13 per month. This plan allows you to have up to 3 audiences, which is what MailChimp calls an email list. Just for the record, I started with one template and I simply replicate each email and replace them with a new text or picture. So the templates may or may not be helpful or essential. There are other things that MailChimp offers, some of which are listed here, regarding roles and journey points. I have no idea what these things are. And I only include this here so that when you go over to MailChimp, you don't assume that all of this stuff is crucial for you to have. If your goal is to build an email list of readers, you don't need most of the bells and whistles. This is a snapshot of the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. So the first area I want to call your attention to is the all campaigns. This is the area where all of the campaigns live. The emails you prepare to send are called campaigns. You can start with a new template or you can replicate another email and make changes. I'll show you a bit more about how this works later on in the video. The next thing is the audience. Audience is a fancy name for the email lists. And the other thing I want to call your attention to are tags. Now, instead of having multiple email lists, it's possible to have one list and to segment out different segments using tags. That's a way you can separate a section out of your email list. So let me give you an example about using tags. With every new book I release, I give the book away as an ARC copy. It stands for Advanced Reader Copy, or some people say Advanced Review Copy. Either way, it is a giveaway of a book that is not yet published. I add a tag onto the person's sign-up form, and this adds a tag entitled ARC to their email at Mailchimp. Then when it's time for me to ask if anyone wants to sign up for another advanced reader copy, I send a special email invitation to these people who have already participated as a past ARC reader. By using a tag, it only targets a segment of the entire list. So I hope that explains it. Here is an example of some of the tags I've used over the last 3 years. Now, if you are considering having more than one list and you want to take advantage of the free plan, or the cheaper plan, I should say, you may be able to use that plan with one list and separate them using tags. So now I think it's time to go into Mailchimp and have a look around. Okay, so here we are inside Mailchimp in my account. This is the all campaigns page in my account. So keep in mind that Mailchimp can do lots of things that I'm not really interested in. My goal at Mailchimp is to collect reader emails and continue building my following. Whether my readers are a bit too busy one week to open my emails, I really don't watch it that closely. I'm referring, of course, to the opens and all of the other analytics that Mailchimp does collect and follow. So let me just scroll down the page and mention things that a beginner bookmarker may need to know or want to know. The All Campaigns page has campaigns that are sent and also scheduled to be sent. They even mark your campaigns as sending for a day or so after they are sent. Now, let me explain a little bit about my naming criteria. The BFSO stands for Bookfunnel Site Origin. I use both sites to build my email reader list. 8/7/23, that's the date that the campaign went out. And then I use, of course, the title. Let's see, this one is you choose your recipients here. This is you choose your either one or more of your email lists. That's my from information. And the subject here I change each time. I just rename it as the name of the promotion with a couple of these emojis. And I think what I wanted to really point out is the naming criteria, because when I was new, I really never knew what to call them and I couldn't find them after a while. So I settled on this naming criteria so that I would know exactly which website I was using when I sent out the promotion. Let's see. Now, let me go back out here. Okay. Now, over here on the right-hand side, if you click down on this drop down here under View Report, you'll get a chance to replicate a past promotion, and all of my promotions use the same template. I just mentioned this so that as a newbie, you don't think having so many templates is anything that's really important. You can do with one or two, really. So let's open my last promotion and have a look at it here. This is the 7th. Okay. So let's see. Let's view the email. So this is what my last promotion, my last newsletter looked like. I copy the books that are in the promotion. This time I was offering my own book for free for 2 days on Amazon. I let my readers know about that. And then, I copy and paste the other books that are in the promotion so that the reader just has to open the email and they can see which books are for sale or for giveaway, and they can decide then whether they want to click on it and go to the promotion. Now, if I don't have one of my own books for sale, I will do a swap with another author. So let's click on, let's see, this one is sent. Let's see. So let me show you how this works. You can click on replicate, and what this does is it just chooses the same template that you used last time. I think this makes things very easy. So you just click in here and change the name of it. You can change your recipients if you have your readers in different groups or using different tags with them.